is a training course presented by Tonex Training. CRAN, sometimes referred to as Centralized-RAN, is an architecture for cellular networks. CRAN is a novel versatile network architecture that can address various challenges administrators face while attempting to help developing end clients' needs. CRAN, Cloud Radio Access Network, is a centralized, cloud computing-based architecture for radio access networks, RAN, that empowers enormous scale arrangement, collaborative radio technology backing, and genuine time virtualization capabilities. CRAN benefits include the ability to pool resources, reuse infrastructure, simplify network operations and management, support multiple technologies, reduce energy consumption, lower CAPEX and OPEX. Network becomes more heterogeneous and self-organizing. Learn about BU, baseband unit, RRH, remote radio head, CPRI, common public radio interface, link and protocol, CRAN versus macrocells and DAS, distributed antenna systems. Request more information. Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.